Hello everyone out there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about red carpet event. Okay, what are the things they have discussed in the red carpet event? What are the questions they have addressed, like whether the work from home continues, whether they will provide the work from home if required in later stages, if required whether they give work from home can they give permanently. Also they have addressed scope of on-site opportunities. Apart from that, if anybody who is going to join this week, if they have not yet received laptops, what to do, all this along with that many other questions they have addressed in this event. So they have given the answers. So I'm going to share each and everything what they have told in this red carpet event. Okay, so stay tuned with me and watch the complete video so that you will also understand. If you have any questions regard to that, you will also get clarified by watching this video. Okay, so watch the complete video without missing even a single point. Okay, what I have shared, what they have shared with us. Okay, let's just start with the video and see what are the key points they have shared in this red carpet event 2021 in Accenture. Okay, let's just start. So first thing what they done is they just congratulated us, whoever was there in that event. They have congratulated each and everybody. The people who has taken the red carpet event virtually, they are the lead recruiters in Accenture. They have been working since from past 15 to 20 years in Accenture only. Okay, so they have spot the light on the red carpet event. Okay, so let's just see the agenda what they have given. So some of the screenshots I have taken, which I am going to share you somewhere in the screen, so keep looking on that as well. Okay, so the first thing what they have shared with us is agenda. What was the agenda of that red carpet event? Okay, the agenda was just Accenture overview. First is Accenture overview, and then second one is Advanced Technology Center in India. Okay, third is learning and development, fourth is life at Accenture, and fifth is FAQs, some frequently asked questions they have addressed. Okay, this is the agenda of the red carpet event what they have shared. And then they have started with the first segment, that is Accenture overview. There they have just told about what is Accenture and what Accenture is offering, the services, technology, operations, and what is the purpose. In every points they have shared with detailed explanation. Okay, I'm not going to tell you detailed explanation. I'm just going to brief you out through the event so that you will get to know what they are going to tell in red carpet event. And then they have shared some videos just to make understand the candidates who are going to join Accenture, like what is Accenture all about and how the employees are working and how the employees are comfortable working with Accenture. Each and every videos they have shared with us, like 4 to 5 videos I think they have shared in this red carpet event, where some of the experienced employees share their knowledge and thoughts towards the Accenture company. Okay, how the company works and how they have given the opportunities to learn. All those things they have shared in that videos. So those videos they have shared with us. Okay, so that we'll get motivation. They have shared the revenue of Accenture, like how many people work in Accenture and in how many countries Accenture is there, in how many countries the Accenture operates. Okay, as you can see here, over 600,000 plus employees work for Accenture globally. Okay, and also Accenture is operating over more than 150 plus countries. And also they have told Accenture operates across 40 plus countries globally. Okay, 50 billion is the current revenue, like this year FY21 revenue is 50 billion. And then they have told how the Accenture is organized based on the market and services. They have given some explanation on that as well. And also they have told Accenture is having 130,000 plus skilled people working in India. Okay, that's great news. And also they have told like they have 3 innovation hub in India, that is Bangalore, Hyderabad and Pune. Okay, and also they have addressed one question like what does it mean to have a career at Accenture Technology. This question they have addressed. They have given some list of menus like endless career path, build skills, unequally human, determine own pace, market and client relevant, and then cool work. So these are the main menus what they have shared with us. So they have explained each and every menu in detail. Okay, they have told like they have 24,000 plus online courses available for their employees. Okay, they are having 91 connected classrooms. Apart from that, they have 2,700 plus learning boards. Okay, these are all the facilities they are offering to the Accenture employees. If you're going to join, then definitely these things will get benefited to you all. Okay, next few more things what they have addressed is culture of equality, like gender of equality, and then person with disabilities, pride, cross culture diversity, and mental health. So these are the few points which they have addressed in the culture of equality. Okay, also they have told like they are working on 50/50 ratio for men and women, like 50% of the women employees and 50% of the men employees should be there all over, like globally. Okay, so they are working on that till 2025. They might get reached to that level, so they are planning and they are going to get that much ratio by 2025. Okay, apart from that, they have told us like the awards what they have received as a recognition to their work, what they are giving, what they are offering to their clients. They have received multiple awards. Next, they have addressed like virtual onboarding. In virtual onboarding page, they have addressed few points, that is countdown to Accenture. Actually, they have told countdown to Accenture page access will be given to the employees 60 days prior to their joining. Okay, for this question I have received multiple comments from you all saying that when we can receive the countdown to Accenture page. So they are telling 60 days prior they'll give the countdown to Accenture page access. Okay, and then they have discussed on date of joining, like first day what all the things they are going to address, like virtual connect brief on joining formalities. Lastly, they told onboarding day what will happen. So virtual onboarding formalities will be taken place, because nowadays nobody is going physically to the office to give the interview or to submit the documents. Everything is going on virtually, right? So virtual formalities they are going to complete on the onboarding day. They're going to share some logs and credentials, okay, for which you are going to work, and they're going to brief out some relevant portals and tools which you are going to use in Accenture. Okay, these things they are going to share on the day of onboarding. And then finally coming to FAQs, questions what they have addressed, which many of the viewers has been asked during this event. Okay, so the first question what they have addressed is, till when work from home is going to be continued? When are you going to be expected to come back to office in person? Okay, this was the first question what they have addressed is, answer what they have given is, currently they are working to get the employees back, but in phase manner. Okay, not like all the employees should come at the same time. They are telling they are working on this, but to get it in phase manner. Okay, but they have told they have not decided any timeline as such, but in future if they have decided any timeline or like how the phases will get divided, everything they are going to tell their employees, okay, as and when they are ready and feel the situation is better. So they have told you will be informed at least 4 to 6 weeks in advance. Okay, you will get the mails, so keep looking the mails. They were telling like that you will get informed 4 to 6 weeks in advance to come to office. Okay, the next question what they have addressed was, what is the scope of on-site opportunities in the current scenario? Okay, now as the pandemic is going on, so what is the scope of on-site opportunities in the current situation? Okay, so they have told like on-site opportunities is there in Accenture, but based on the project dependability. Okay, if the project wants you to go to the client location and work there, then you need to go there. Okay, they have told obviously on-site opportunities is available to each and everybody whose project requires client location work. Okay, if you want to go to client location and work, then definitely you need to go to that location and work. Obviously on-site opportunities available at Accenture. Okay, but depend on the project. Okay, so the next question was, someone asked like if I develop interest in some other technology but I was working in some other project, what to do in that situation? So what path should I follow? Like that someone asked the question. So the lead recruiter answer to this question was told like, if you are working in other technology and develop interest in some other technology, then you are eligible to switch the job. Yes, I'm telling correct, you are eligible to switch the job. Okay, let's move to the next question. Will work from home option be available even after we get back to work physically? So to this, what they have answered is yes. They have told they are providing flexibility in terms of giving the work from home, in terms of timings, in terms of shifts, everything. They are providing the flexibility. Okay, so even after this pandemic, even if you go back to your work, then also if you want, you can avail this option. This option is available. Okay, you can get the work from home whenever you want, but based on your project and your manager approvals. Let's see the next question. When will we get our laptops if nobody contacts? What the answer they have given to this question is, your laptops will be provided to you. It will reach out to your residence, okay, within the week time of your date of joining. Maybe before that also it might have reached. So in case if you have not received your laptop, you can contact your recruiter. Else what you can do is, if you are staying in the same location where the office is present, then what you can do is you can physically go to the office and collect your laptop. Okay, this option is available. You can do that if you want to. Okay, otherwise you can wait. They'll send the laptops to your residence. Okay, the next and the last question what they have addressed is, can husband and wife both work at Accenture? Yes, they have told yes, husband and wife both can work at Accenture. They have some referral. If husband is working, he can refer to her wife. If wife is working, she can refer to his husband. Okay, this option is available. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video very helpful and most of your questions got addressed in this video. If you have any query, just do let me know. I'm here to help you out. Okay, I hope you like this video. If yes, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me. Okay, also don't forget to enable the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.